Hello, welcome. It's Sunday, and I've been asked to do. I just started sneezing. I don't know. I think like 5 times. So I've been asked to make a video of reading a book. Reading a book during one of my fits. So I've got a book of things from the 1980s. This is my afternoon fit, and I'm going to try to read out of this book right now. The Iranian hostage crisis dominates U.S. foreign policy. 8 U.S. servicemen are killed in an unsuccessful rescue attempt. Iran and Iraq begin their war. 3 American nuns. Ronald Reagan scores a decisive presidential election victory over Jimmy Carter and carries with him a Republican majority in the Senate. John Lennon is murdered in New York City. FBI agents posing as Arabs implicate several public officials in the bribery scandal. Mount St. Helens in Washington blows its top like me in the nation's biggest volcanic eruption. These are pics from 1980. Sports. Wait a minute. The U.S. hockey team shocking gold medal at the Winter Olympics is the sports story of the year. The United States boycotts the Summer Olympics in Moscow due to the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. The Pittsburgh Steelers defeat the Los Angeles Rams to claim their 4th Super Bowl championship. The famous tennis match ever played, Bjorn Borg outlasts John McEntyre to earn his 5th consecutive Wimbledon championship. McEnroe edges Borg out to take his 2nd straight U.S. Open title. Sugar Ray Leonard avenges. Wait a minute. To claim the World Heavyweight Boxing Championship. Magic Johnson and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar lead the Los Angeles Lakers to the NBA title over the the Philadelphia 76ers. Jack Nicklaus wins the U.S. Open and the PGA. It's hard to read and sneeze. It just is. But we're up to 4 minutes of me reading. And I'm going to go to 1981 now. This is a book of music. But it also has facts about each year. 1981, Iran frees the U.S. hostages. Egypt's President Anwar Sadat is assassinated. President Reagan and 3 officers are wounded in an assassination attempt. Baseball's first mid-season strike disrupts a year that features the colorful heroics of a rookie pitcher Fernando Valenzuela. Valenzuela's Dodgers to go on to defeat the New York Yankees in the World's... Oh, gosh. I have to stop for a second. Just take a quick break. I'm dizzy from reading and sneezing. Ugh. Raiders of the Lost Ark sweeps away millions of moviegoers. Following in popularity are Superbad 2 on Golden Pond, Arthur, and Stripes. The big Oscar winners are Chariots of Fire and Henry Fonda and Katharine Hepburn on Golden Pond. Oh, gosh. And Warren Beatty's movie. Reds. Okay. Oh. I don't know what I'm up to. I don't think this is going to be as long. If it cuts off, you know, that's all I could do. But I wanted to say something. I've seen to be getting a lot of positive comments about my morning sneezes and the bathroom ones. So I'm going to do another morning one too. But let me read the rest of this. Walter Cronkite steps down after nearly 2 decades as the anchor of the CBS Evening News, succeeded by Dan Crowder. I can't read and do this anymore. It's too much oxygen problems. But I finished that. I'm going to try stifle. I also had a request to do some stifling. Let's see if this works. I don't like that. My doctor said years ago, just let it out. So, anyways, I think I'm winding up. Alright, this is a short one. They're getting further and further apart. And we're at 8 minutes. So this might be a shorter one. So I might be alright. I might be alright. I'm sorry it finished early, you guys, but at least I got to read. I don't know how many times I sneezed, maybe 40, but look for another Good Morning Sneeze video coming up.